Well, this is a bird's eye view version of an unboxing. This is a one camera, one and gun. We're going to be looking at the little box we've picked up today from Neewer. So let's crack in, shall we? Let's see how we can get in the box. Well, I'm seeing a seal right here. So we're going to crack right into it. Trying to keep it in the shot. This is temporary. This is not the usual place I go unbox these things. Yeah. We're looking at we said it was from Neewer. Some information on the box. I'm not sure if that's clear. It's probably not. Let's have a look. It's all very small. I don't have my glasses on, so I don't know. Little sticker or card. I don't know what that is. And in the box, we've got a bit of a mystery. Well, it's not a mystery to me. I know what it is. We've got a carry bag, and we've got some instructions. That's all that's in the box there. So we put the box aside. Now, this is probably going to give away what this actually is. Lavalier lapel omnidirectional condenser microphone. What do you mean? What does that mean? Well, let's have a look in the bag real quick. It's a pull string bag. Comes with a carry bag, so that's pretty cool. Because hey, when you're using these are out and about types microphones. So let's carefully pull out what we got. So that's the bag that comes in. Nice new pull string bag. We get rid of that. Okay, we got two items here. We got two of the same things. This is like a 2-pack. Now, that looks out of focus tube, but in actual fact, it's the bags that they're in are, as you can see, a stick on the outside there. Where's on the inside? No, it's on the inside. That's what, as it gets away from the surface, it looks a little fuzzy, but anyway, we're going to pull it all out. I'm going to pull one out because the other one's going to be exactly the same. Got a little piece of silica. Let's get rid of that. We've got a cable, and this is like a lavalier omnidirectional with like a 90-degree T-junction. This is a TRS connector, as you can see there. This is the type of microphone you plug straight into a camera or into like one of the wireless units that have the spot for a lavalier mic. Say like the ones I'm using now to record this, which is the Rode Wireless Me's. You can go to Wireless Go 2s, Wireless Pros, where you can get the Rode branded lavalier and plug it in. But you can use this Neewer one as well. These are compatible, and you can see we've got a length of cable that is got some Velcro on it to extend it. I believe, if I recall from when I ordered this is a length of 2 meters. Now, if you want to know the model numbers of these are the LM5s, and I picked up the 2-pack. So there's two LM5s. I've got this one here and this one that's still in the bag, which I'm going to leave in the bag. This is one for demo purposes. I believe this cable unraveled will be about 2 meters. Okay, the Velcro isn't attached. It comes off. So let's just put that down. And then we can stretch it out. Now, you're not going to see any of this, but I'm going to just sort of get it to full length and have an idea. While we're there, we've got a decent clip. Well, is it a decent clip? It's a clip. It's adjustable and it can come off. It's got the usual like coil thing that tightens around it with a clip. So we can clip it. If we need to, we can take it off, flip it around the other direction to clip it the other way. Now I'm going to judge the length of this cable real quick. I don't know if that's 2 meters though. It might be 1.5 meters. So yeah, don't hold me on that, but I'll see what the guide says. But I've got that much, sort of that much there hanging over after I stretched it right out across everything. And now we've got it getting caught up. The one reason why I picked this particular one is because of the right angle, which I showed you before, rather than they have a different model where the TRS comes straight out from the cable instead of going right angles to the cable. That helps if you've got, like a box and you want to keep a low profile away from the box. But this is, as the box says, the Neewer 3.5 millimeter, that's the jack size, TRS lavalier mic, 2 meters, 2-pack. So we're getting 2 in a pack. They're supposed to be 2 meters long each. I will do an official measurement and you'll see something on the screen right now telling all about that. But that's it, 2 lavaliers. I'm not going to open the second one because it's identical to the first one. So if you want to check that out, there'll be links in the description for those watching on YouTube. This is Doug, and I'll catch you later.